This is the lint filter out of a tumble dryer. It's got a bit of an issue with it where there's a hole ripped in the gauze, so I'm going to see if I can repair this quite simply. There's a bit of slack in the gauze, so I'm going to try and overlap it slightly and then just dab it with a soldering iron. So I'm just going to try and bring the gauze over a little bit and just dab it gently. So you've got to be quite careful here, because if you poke on the gauze itself, it'll burn straight through, so you only want to weld it on. And that does seem to have a pretty good finish there. There's a little bit there where there's a bigger hole, but I'm not going to worry, that's not too big a hole. Let's get a close-up look. So examining that handiwork there's a bit of a gap here where it's difficult to get tension on it. The other thing that I could do is to put a little piece of rubber along the back here, just over the top, and glue it on from both sides, and that would give a better seal there, but in reality it's not necessary. I'm not really worried of any lint going through that. It's small enough that it will still catch anything, and it's definitely better than it was before. Another type of repair I have is on this type of lint filter, where the filter itself splits in half, and down at the bottom here, if we can see, there's this very light plastic hinge, and what happened was that the plastic was worn out on 2 locations and starting to snap. I think we can see it better over on this side. So you can see that that plastic is broken. So what I've done is I've super glued on little pieces of rubber on both sides, and that has managed to keep almost all of the gauze intact, except for this little bit here where there's a bit of play. But I've been using this machine for the last 3 or 4 years, and I've made this repair about 2 or 3 years ago, so it has lasted quite well, and it does seem to be doing the tricks. Just little pieces of rubber. These are out of a bicycle tube, I believe, just little tiny pieces chopped like that, and it's definitely cheaper than buying a new filter, and it does the job nicely. So thanks very much for watching. Hope this has been helpful to you. If it has, hit the like button and maybe subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you later.